Really, Thomas? Another last-minute event? Well, duh. Of course I can't make it. I gotta return to Lincoln tomorrow. Smell you later. Is someone there? Cutie, why are you here so early? Too much time has passed since we last saw each other, and you missed me so much that you decided to give me a surprise visit. Are we trying for a new romantic escapade here? Okay, I'll admit your surprise was perfect. I'm excited. You have no idea. It's almost like butterflies are about to burst from my chest. Was this sneak attack also part of your surprise? Ah. Your kiss couldn't stop the butterflies from flying out of my heart. But this is how you do it. Miss Bodyguard, you've given me quite a surprise. How should I repay you? Sure, I can kiss you. Let's start with just above your eyes. Your nose, ears, and lips too. I'll make sure to say hello to each of them. It's been so long. I missed you. Don't move. I want to savor this moment. I'm always scared that you're just a figment of my imagination. Well, you're real and warm. It's like I'm being enveloped in a pool of water. I don't want to let you go. I could hold you like this forever. What are you? When I said I wouldn't let go, I wasn't giving you permission to tie me up. And You did it with my own tie, no less. Huh? This is my punishment for not coming back sooner? Fine. Fine. Punish me however you want, cutie. Ouch. An artist's wrists are precious, you know. But you're very, very cute right now. I don't mind being tied up by you. This shirt is too tight. Can you help me unbutton it? It's still too tight. Keep unbuttoning it. You broke the rules. Getting straight to the point, huh? Okay, you can stop now. We've only been separated for a few days, and you somehow managed to become so bold. Then, doesn't that mean I can also be a little bold? And spice things up? You're curious about how I broke free. That's something I can't tell you. A slippery fish like me can't be caught so easily. At this point, begging or running away won't help. I forgot to turn on the AC. It'll be hot in here soon enough. I only touched this and you're already flushed. I guess Miss Bodyguard is a blank canvas. I painted a masterpiece on your body, and only I get to admire it. You want to see how beautiful the painting is? But it's not finished yet. I want to leave my mark here and there. Yes, everywhere. In that case, I willingly surrender myself to you. What? It's unfair. Well then, you could leave a mark on me, right? It'll be yours. Oh, you're greedy, aren't you? Making me surrender isn't enough. You also want to leave your mark on me. All right then. Don't miss a single spot.